Ay, ayan.
O ba may kasalanan?
Perfect. Then I will get you to cut your PR card into 4 pieces.
Gunting-gunting. Yan.
4 pieces.
Yan, sinira na niya.
Alrighty, that's all I have.
Hey! Guys, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Once again, it's Lakay Tracker here. Tulad nga ng sabi ko sa previous video natin, we have a big day today. Ano bang big day natin today, anak?
My car got towed out.
Ano? Yeah. Okay, so si Ate Pau Pau ang aming
Canadian!
Oh, si Ate Pau Pau yung in the spotlight today. Oh, yun.
Sino ang nakuha ang sakyan?
Smell naman dyan, nak. Alright. Guys, today, Ate Pau Pau is oath-taking. Mag-oath-taking na siya sa Canadian citizenship. So, di ba, ikaw na, online ka?
Yeah.
Ilang buwan inabot yung application mo ng online?
5 months.
5 months lang?
July, August, October. 4 months. 5 months, ganun.
So, kapag online ka, online application, online din ang oath-taking.
I don't know. I guess so. Ganon.
Kaya ito naman si Ate Paypay, matagal ng Canadian citizen to na una sa ate niya.
No, she just got her
Kasi
like this year too. Mag-ano lang ako, mag-bibis lang.
Nag-apply siya ng, ano bang in-apply sa'yo? Usap pa tayo rito eh.
Mag-bibis lang ako kasi noon.
Anong in-apply mo sa, anong in-apply mo? Paperworks ka natin?
Papel, kaya
Paperworks,
binigay pabalik.
Anong meron ka na? Nabigay na sa'yo yung papel?
Anong papel na? Oo, meron na ako. Meron na ako.
Yung Canadian citizenship
Yeah.
certificate mo, patingin niya. Ilagay mo lang, i-plus mo lang. Oh, yun din. Yung picture mo.
Wala, I don't have a
Patingin nga.
pictures here.
Titignan ko lang.
That's not my ano, but my passport is still yung passport.
Andyan yung passport mo?
I don't have
Oh.
that.
Picturean mo na lang.
Oh.
Flash na lang
Oh.
mamaya.
This passport Philippines na po.
Nasaan yung iyo?
Butas na.
Asan yung passport mong ano?
Yung nag-apply ka ng passport.
Wala pa yung passport mo?
Naiwan niya sa bahay.
Ano yung sa bahay?
Pinaka-certificate niya.
Nandun sa bahay ata.
So ito yung
Pinutas yung
certificate
passport.
mo.
Hindi ito.
Hindi yan certificate.
Oo, hindi ito legal na certificate.
Ay, wala yung isa na katulad
Nasa isa.
natin.
Should
Pero
I
ito
take
yung
it?
ibinigay
Should I
sa
get
ano.
it?
Hindi, wag na.
Pero
Ito,
ito
dito lang
Ito yung pinakaano niya. Conforme congratulation galing na mismo
ng
sa
MP.
MP.
Hanapin ko
Oo.
pa yung passport ko na
Ayan.
expired eh.
Ayan guys,
Pag nag-apply, baka
pakita ko lang
makalawa
sa inyo yung
yung
ano niya.
Wala.
Princess Trinidad, congratulations. Wala naman makikita dyan na iba. House of Commons, yan si Kevin Lamorox. Yan, congrats na rin ito. Ayan, nandyan yung certificate. Wala naman siyang inilagay ng mga number dyan. Kumbaga sa ano, congratulations kay Ate Paypay for being Canadian citizenship.
Oo, ganyan naman sila.
Ganyan. Tapos yung passport mo, naiwan mo sa bahay?
Picture mo na lang pa.
Yeah.
Yung ano na.
Picture.
Anong oras daw, nak?
11:30.
Anong oras na ba tayo? 20 minutes na lang.
Sino?
O, tsaka yung tatlong maliliit, si Baki, si...
Wala sila?
Baki, si Ate Sinel, at si Clark, nasa school. Di bali kasi, hindi naman sila talaga kailangan
Eto
dito.
guys, papakita ko sa inyo. I have some videos na lang mong oath-taking.
Oh, yung oath-taking mo? Oh, nag-oath-taking siya, oh.
Mas maganda sana in person ako.
Oo. Okay lang.
Kasi
hindi na,
feel na
wala,
feel ko.
kung yan ang binigay sa inyo, anong magagawa mo? Oh, yan. Oh. Nung nag-taking siya. Wala kasi kami noon guys, kasi nasa biyahe ako, tsaka si Mami, may linakad nung araw na yun. Pero ito, andito kami ngayon.
To celebrate my sisters to be Canadian. I'm so proud of you. Sinong na to?
Congratulations! Yung tatlo, nasa school.
They're Canadian na guys.
Oh, Canadian na yun kasi siyempre.
They're born here. What you mean?
Yeah.
Saan niyo ba yun?
At saka isa pa, tulad nga ng sabi ko, ang application kasi ng Canadian citizenship dito sa Canada kapag nasa ano ka na, tamang edad ka, is individual.
Yes.
Kaya mag-apply na sila ng sarili nila, DIY. Itong mga to, nag-DIY sila sa
Canadian
application.
passport ko.
Andiyan na ba?
Yes. This is my Canadian passport.
Okay.
It took like what? 3 weeks? 3 weeks na makuha ko din to. Kasi nag-apply ako. Then, maybe 3 weeks nila sinend sa akin to Canada Post.
Nakuha mo na?
Yes.
Oh,
I
eh.
have it in the house. Pero I forgot to bring it.
Wala, nasa bahay. Okay.
Guys, from Philippine passport, Philippine passport to Canadian passport.
Ay, si Ate Pao. Ito si Ate Pao, ang big, kumbaga sa bumuhos sa kanya yung swerte, oh.
Yeah.
Mayroon siyang class 5 plus car. Mayroon siyang Canadian citizenship. This month talaga yon na ibigay sa kanya. Kaya mag-thank you ka kay Papa God.
Naka-in sa UFF.
Thank you kay Papa.
In sa University of Manitoba.
Oh guys ha. Naka-in pa siya sa University of Manitoba. Ano bang kinukuha mo natin?
Nursing.
Nursing?
Yeah.
Magkukuha na siya ng nursing. Very nice.
Of course, next year pa naman.
Ang gagaling nyo naman. Sana all. Wow!
Na-interview ako sa pinakamalaking hospital
Hospital.
sa Winnipeg. Tapos natuyo sa sakyan.
So, sabihin mo sa akin.
So stressed!
Oh.
I was like, she want me to do it.
WRHA guys, Winnipeg Regional Healthcare Authority.
Oh, so
the biggest.
Pinakamalaki.
Na-interview ka, anong nangyari?
She got two!
Hindi, you
nila ako
get,
about
you hide or what?
Yeah, uncertified healthcare aid.
Oh, na-hide siya sa Winnipeg Regional Health Authority. Hide siya, na-hide siya. Mag-bihis ka muna.
Home care program. Mamaya naman.
Para pang ni papa mo.
Mag-bihis mo mami, ang Tamang-tama
Hindi natin
ka.
susundin yung tatlong bata?
Hindi, mamaya na lang pag-uwi. Si mami nang bahala.
Pang-reels ni papa mo.
Seat 045 13.
Pang seat 045.
Okay. Guys, ayan. Nandito na kami nakaupo ng anak ko ng online. Kasi nung kami hindi ko rin alam
Ba't sila hindi nakaayos?
Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganyan. Hayaan mo sila Ayan, nakikita natin yung ganyan, online. Nandito kami ng anak ko. Naka-monitor, yan. Para makita natin lang. Ayan. Mga boss siguro yung mga. Kung sino.
Hindi, mga member.
Mag-o-taking. Ayan. Meron ding plug, kanya-kanyang plug talaga. Ayan. Kanina yung instruction nung nandiyan yung pinaka head or nag-arrange, bawal daw videohan yung yan. Kaya hindi na ako magbi-video guys yung taking nila. Basta antayin lang kung talaga yung sasabihin nila. Kasi ibang iba ito sa personal at saka sa yung online na ganito magantay lang tayo. Diyan ka lang huwag kang aalis dyan kasi talagang ganyan yan. Matagal yan kasi parang nakaupo ka na mismo sa venue yan Kami ganyan din naasikaso.
Ba't may pinapanood?
Hindi ko alam.
Pa yun.
Magantay ka muna.
Ay, nagpapakilala pa lang.
Parang amin nga nang inaantay lahat ng mga guests makaupo.
Oo, lahat darating pa. Hindi pa dumarating. Mga ilan ba kayo? 3,000?
Ilan? 100.
100 lang?
Tingin ko nga, ilang member?
O ilang mag-uutiking? Ilang kayo mag-uutiking?
198 pa lang
Oo.
Ay, 60.
Pero ilan dapat kayo? Meron ba kayong may binigay ba sa inyo May binigay ba?
Wala. Wala, may mga nagjo-join pa.
Mag-join pa sila diyan sa chatroom.
57 pa lang nandito.
Ilan?
Alis-alis kasi dapat siguro 60. 57.
Hindi, mayroon silang oras diyan. Hindi pa pwedeng kapag nandiyan yung oras, andyan sila na paalis-alis kasi bawal 'yun. Hindi sila magkapag-taking kapag wala sila diyan. Alright guys, andito na rin yung mga bata. Sinundo na ni Mrs. Hey, bebe. Mabuti. Bless Papa. Where's Ate Sinel? Where's Batiti? Right there. Hindi pa. Kumbaga saan nakaupo na sila? Nakaupo na sila. Batiti! Bliss. Bliss kiss Papa. Close it. Close it. You know the drill, right?
Yeah, I want to.
Ayan lang sila dyan, kung dyan lang sila. Huwag lang sila pupunta kay Lati Papa, mamaya na lang tayo magpicture. Pag sinabing picture taking, where's Ate Sinel? She's coming. Ha?
Kiss Ate Papa there.
Say congrats. You're handsome. I like the hair. Baki, you know what? You look like Korean.
Congrats, Ate Papa. Say congratulations. Canadian citizenship of taking.
I need to show it to
Pero Ate Papa. Kiss Ate Papa. Say congrats.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Wait for it, okay? Wala pa si sila, mamaya pa daw. Kaya nga makulit nga sila, kaya nga. Kita mo, hila-hilata rito, hindi po pwede rito yung ganyan. Mayigi nga dito sa bahay nangyari pala ito eh. Baka doon, kapag doon tayo nag-taking, higa-higa na lang sa floor si Baki. Makulit eh.
Boring.
Pupunta pa ba sila sa tasan?
How are you? Change your clothes. We going somewhere
Okay.
different and we gonna eat again.
O, kakain muna tayo. Baka abutin pa sila ng gutom dito. Pakainin mo lang muna, hindi na. Tayo lang natin, no?
My car.
Bagantay na lang tayo.
Someone, I don't know, strangers took my car.
Maybe it's
Yung pogi na na. Kasi Raymond ni coordinator na.
Oh, you have cough again? Oh my God, you always have cough, huh? Let's go na. Ay, iba na naman yung pumasok.
smiley face.
Who make that one?
Yan yung coordinator yata eh.
Go change your clothes na there.
Mga member yan na naka-mute. So, yung mga boys nila nabirinig kaya sila yung nagpo-focus sa camera.
Ganun pala.
Sino yan?
Yung mga membro. Hindi, mag-o-taking yung mga mag-o-taking.
11:37 na.
Hmm.
So, work ko Sige na lang.
Let me open this.
So, ano yun yung sa University of Manitoba? Kailan ang start mo?
Sa winter term pa naman.
Winter term? Okay. So, pagkatapos noon, school na yun. Nursing? Kayang-kaya mo yan.
Sa UWAM pa.
Masisipag naman kayo magtrabaho at saka mag-aaral eh. No? Ha? Yung?
Nag-slow kanina.
Pag dito ay pag alisin mo yung camera mo, bawal daw.
Oo, narinig ko nga yung sinabi. Ngayon pa lang pagka guys,
Kasi
mag-taking.
in-announce din nila in person nun. Di ba pa, yung palas, doon na pwede mag...
Yung ceremony,
Pero pag... pipicture lang nila pwede, pero pag bigayan, bawal yung mga yun.
bawal na yung picture lang
Strict ko
talaga.
yan yun.
Bakit ang dami nagbibideo nun?
Ewan ko.
Nag-video nga ako, may video ko nung kinakamayan ako eh.
Pwede yun.
Pwede yun, te.
But when they saying it, you can't do it.
Kaya basaya mo na, huwag na nating yun mamaya. Importante matapos yung
Kama lang. Gusto mo kumain? Kumain ako mamangag ako nagising 7:30 kasi maga akong tulog kagabi.
Okay. Pakainin mo yung mga bata. Lagahan mo ng itlog. May soup pala. Pasupsupin mo ng soup.
Gusto mo soup pie?
Ano soup niyo, ma'am?
Corn
Andyan,
soup.
corn soup at saka may egg.
Masarap siya. Lagyan mo lang ng pepper. Meron pa wala tirahan? Bakit sila pa
Meron
yung nag-aayos?
Sila mo sila na. Basta ikaw maganda ka ngayon. You are the ngayon. Ikaw ang spotlight ngayon. Right, Batiti? Sige na, bebe. Right, Batiti. Huwag ka mag-aalis din. Dito lang kami.
Bihis na ang aking baby. Binata, no?
Bakit di ka magbihis? Mamaya? Hindi, magpipicture tayo dun mamaya. Mamaya na?
Ilang oras na aabot pa?
2 oras.
Ano? Hindi na tayo aabot sa ano?
Saan? 2 oras tumawag sa ano?
Buffet. Hindi pwede yung buffet
Saan
ngayon.
tayo?
Doon sa tayo sa social.
Saan tayo?
Siyempre kung walang buffet, alangan naman doon na lang tayo sa social yan.
We'll see.
We'll see. Siyempre, it's big day, Ate Pao.
Ate Pao, right?
Akalain mo, guys, car.
Oh, mami, the ceremony
Class
will
5.
last up
O taking. Wala pa, hindi pa siya nagpakain, kaya alangan naman na hindi ako pagbigyan ng anak ko na yan.
Registration private the videos.
Bakit? Since your clothes mo
Bakit? Bawa ng
Nak.
bukod ng tenga mo.
Ne, listen to me. You got your class 5. You got your car. You got your taking. Alam man, hindi ka naman magpakain sa papa. Right, Pai?
Yan.
Today is your big day. Pinagsama-sama mo, imbis na 3 celebration, isa na lang. Yan. Kung ano naman, hindi, bumili ka ng lekson ngayon. Magluto na lang si mami mo. Hindi, antayin lang natin to. Mas
Boy, you're so
importante to.
handsome.
So,
Craig, you want to eat?
Ni Dad?
Excellent. And are you currently in Canada?
Yes, I'm Winnipeg right now.
Perfect. And do you have any plans to travel out of the country in the next 4 weeks?
Not yet though.
Perfect. And have you had any trouble with the law or immigration in Canada or abroad?
No.
Excellent. And are you okay with receiving an e-certificate today?
Yes.
Absolutely. So I'll get you to grab your PR card and a second piece of ID. Absolutely. Perfect. Then I will get you to cut your PR card into 4 pieces.
Okay.
Gunting-gunting. Yan.
4 pieces.
Yan, sinira na niya.
Oh, it flew.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Alrighty, that's all I have for you for registration.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to move you into the post-registration room for now. And
Okay.
you can hang out there until the ceremony starts.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Woohoo! Registered ka na!
Di pa pala daw.
Han, bakit nandiyan ka umupo? Hindi naman ikaw yung ano.
Mami, pwede mo.
Pwede.
Sabi? Pwede?
Pero huwag ka camera,
May mga
ma'am.
pamilya
Mami,
rin
huwag
sila
mo
dyan.
lagay camera. Hindi pwede mag-camera.
Guys ha, ginunting na ni Ate Pao yung kanyang...
Oh, one by one
Permanent,
ceremony pa. Tapos ito may papanoorin kami.
One by one nga talaga.
Kasi ito na yung ano.
So kayo na lang dyan. Okay, sige. Permanent
Ay na,
resident.
wala pa.
Ano ba? Hindi, ginugunting din nila. Oh. Ginunting na ni Ate...
Highlight added.
Ah.
Ano ba itong nangyari dito?
Ginunting na ni Ate,
Baka mamaya
guys, na
ibilis
Ate
naman ito.
Paypay yung kanyang, ginunting na niya. Kanyang,
Mami, ano yung gumagano ka kanina? Sabi
permanent
ko daw.
resident card.
Hindi siya, pinaganyan ko.
Permanent resident card, ginunting na, apat na. Tapon na to.
Ah, yung ano, yung you
Wala
have,
yan.
you have a plan
Okay.
to travel and ano? Oo, sabi ko sa muna.
Ayun guys, no? Ayun talaga kapag guguntingin na talaga.
Bakit ka mo?
What if driver license yung nakat?
Eh, malas niya.
Then we're gonna wait for ceremony pa.
Ha?
We can wait to the ceremony na lang
may
daw.
Oh, wait. Pag natapos yung ceremony, di ba sabi niya, it's okay lang sa'yo yung
Easy for e-certificate.
e-certificate, i-email lang muna yon. Oh.
I'm gonna one who's gonna get it. Pwede ko na siya kunin ngayon pag nasa ceremony. Sa
Diyan
online.
sa Miss Online na,
Oo, kasi
okay.
may account ako.
Tapos, ipaprint na natin. Mapaprint mo na, kailangan mo ma-print kung kukuha ka ng passport nun.
I'm not gonna get it yet.
You need to.
Di ba kukuha
Para
ng
magkakaano
passport?
tayo. Hindi, importante yun.
Not yet today pa.
Hindi, not yet today.
Yeah, not today. Cause it's too, it's
Huwag
too
ka muna
rush.
mag-passport. O, sige,
Yeah,
sabagay.
it's too rush. I need to, but like not today because I'm not even gonna go anywhere yet.
Don't just force
her as well.
Exactly right, Clark?
Ang galing naman ni Ate Clark.
Do that, the ball.
Kala mo naman talaga alam.
Don't do that.
What that?
What's that mean niya? Ba't ito mo?
Look at these people so stressed. I'm so stressed.
Bakit ka stress mix happy?
Naman nila, you're happy.
Kaya pinutol na ni Ate Pao ang kanyang...
Check mo yun, baka mamaya nagmamabilis na yung video.
Oo.
Legit ba? Kinagyan na ako? Pag naputa na to?
In-registered ka. Hindi ka pa Canadian hanggat hindi pa natapos ang oath-taking. Oh, registered ka lang muna. Na-registered ka na. Ayan. Gunting-gunting
Tingnan
niya.
natin yung polo nito. Kung maganda ba sa'yo yung polo mo. Come on.
Yan, pasuot mo yan kay Batitihan.
Come on na si Boki.
Si Ate Sinel, wala pa han?
11:45 pa nga.
Ba't di ka magbihis han?
Hindi, konti naman ha.
Ang dami na nating video eh. Ikaw lang hindi pa maganda rito.
Ni Mami ako magbihis.
Si Mami lang hindi pa maganda.
Kakasundo ko pa lang sa...
Si Papa eh...
Di naman plancho.
Yeah, paano yung mga... Guys ha, itong mga alahas ko na ito, fake lang ito. Sabihin nyo naman sila kay... Fake ito, relo hindi gumagana. Ito, fake ito. Ito, tagba-20 lang dun sa Dalara.
Smoke off.
OA!
Oh.
Pag-20.
Oo, tagba-20 lang ito mga ito.
Humble.
Uy, ayaw mo niwala.
Bakit hindi pa tapos?
Let go to Mami pa. Yun, forma mo, brada.
Mami ang makakulit eh.
Alright guys, ayan. Nagsimula na yung ceremony ng taking ng anak ko. Bawal daw video at i-record yung harapan ng monitor gawa nga ng may mga ibang tao doon na baka ayaw nilang ibigay yung kanilang consent. Kaya hanggang dito lang tayo.
friends, some of you have had to learn a new language, and every single one of you has had to make a new home in an unfamiliar country. It's quite an accomplishment. It really is. It's quite an accomplishment. You know, it's thanks to Canada's amazing diversity, not in spite of it, but because of it, that Canada has actually become a role model for the entire world. One word that I've often used to describe Canada and Canadians has to do with the word freedom.
Alright guys, no? Balikan na lang namin kayo mamaya kasi ito, tulad nga ng sinasabi ko, bawal talagang bawal lang mag-record yung mismong screen ng laptop ng anak ko kasi may mga tao doon na iba-ibang lahi na baka ayaw nga nilang makuha ng videos. Ganyan ngayon ang yung online.
Hindi nga siya nabubutulis pala, it's fakeable. Come on, bakit? Here.
One sentence at a time, each time after the presiding official. Do not read the oath on your own. And now, turn on your microphones. Remain silent and manifest by the
Silence.
Silence.
Will you please raise your right hand and now? If you choose to swear the oath and a paper, please place it in your left hand. We also invite anyone watching this ceremony to also raise your right hand and repeat the oath if you wish. It is a demonstration of your commitment to Canada, but will not make you Canadian if you're not one already. I would just like to note that we can hear everything going inside your room, so please remain silent at this time. If there's any background noises, I ask that you would keep it to a minute.
Uy, mag-silent si
Thank you very
Clark!
much. Mr. McCauley, the candidates are ready to repeat.
Okay, maingay!
Okay, thank you very much, Louis. I want to just reiterate a couple of points, ladies and gentlemen, because this is very important. I'm going to start off by saying this. This is what will make you a Canadian. This is it. Saying the oath of citizenship, this is the moment you've worked for, waited for, and studied for. This is it. The second point is this, as the clerk mentioned, we can hear everything in every room that's going on. And if there's too much noise and distraction, the truth is nobody will be able to understand anything when we're saying the oaths, and we'll have to start over, and we don't want to do that. So I need you all to be very quiet, except for when you're repeating the oath after me. It's only going to take a minute or two. And then after this, after we say the oath in English and French, and I am going to ask you to say it in French with me as well, I've got some very good news I want to share with each and every one of you. Now, if you're ready, please raise your hands just the way the clerk showed you, just like this. Please raise your right hand just like this. And now please repeat after me. I swear that I will be faithful and to bear true allegiance to His Majesty, King Charles III, King of Canada, His heirs and successors, and that I will faithfully observe the laws of Canada, including the Constitution, which recognizes and affirms the Aboriginal and treaty rights of First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples, and fulfill my duties as a Canadian citizen. Wonderful. You can put your hands down now for just a moment. Now, we're going to say the oath in French, and I'd like you all to say the oath in French with me. And I'm going to give you a few good reasons. I'm going to give you a few good reasons why I want you to say the oath with me in French. Number one, we're a bilingual country. It's as simple as that. We are a bilingual country. So that's one reason. The second reason is this. I guarantee you that some points in your life from this day forward in the weeks, months, years that are ahead, fortunately, of all of us, or hopefully for all of us, there's going to be many times when you'll talk about this day, the day you became a Canadian. And how cool is it going to be when you can say this for the rest of your life? You can say, hey, you know what? You know what? When I became a Canadian, I said the oath in both official languages. Now, the third reason is this. You don't have to know how to speak French to say the oath in French. It's true. All you have to do is make the same sounds that I make, and you're going to be saying it in French. This is what I call the fun part of the whole ceremony. It's only going to take a moment. I'll go slow, but I'd like you all to do it with me. Now, once again, I'd like you to all raise your right hand, just like this. Okay, just the way the clerk showed you at the start. Now, please repeat after me. Je jure que je serai fidèle, sincère allégeance à sa majesté, le roi Charles III, roi du Canada, assez héritier et successeurs, que je observerai fidèlement les lois du Canada, y compris la Constitution, qui reconnaît et confirme les droits ancestraux ou issus de traite des Premières Nations, des Inuits et des Métis.
Ayan guys, balikan na lang namin sa Tipaw-Paw doon kasi medyo mahaba. 30 minutes daw yun. Kaya, ayan na lang natin siya doon. Kaya bawal nga i-focus yung camera doon sa may screen ng laptop gawa nga ng may mga ibang lahi doon. Ayaw nila siguro. Wala silang consent. Balik tayo mamaya.
Safety, reconnect with family, just start a new life. You are
Video na
now.
lang yan po.
Mami, Iris! Video din yung akin, ganyan din. Joke lang.
And as Canadians, we share responsibilities to look out for one another, to welcome those who are new,
Ba't nandito si Kripot?
respect those who are indigenous to this land,
Si President.
and always to leave our communities
Ay, si
better
Prime.
than we found them.
Wow,
as you
just cut
continue your life
that.
here, remember this day.
We made it. We made it. When you became Canadian, remember that
And think
day.
about everything you can do every day forward to strengthen our country. Congratulations again.
And welcome.
Yay! Give him a warm applause, guys.
Vous êtes maintenant officiellement Canadien et Canadienne.
Paki!
Stop! Wala akong gamit dyan.
Que vous
Clap your
soyez
hands.
pour trouver la
See,
sécurité.
Prime Minister is here. Our Prime Minister is there.
Vous
We
êtes
respect because our
à
Prime
partir de
Minister is
maintenant
there.
un membre à part
It's not
entière.
president,
de
not
notre
it's
pays.
prime.
That's what I
Et en
said.
tant que Canadiens, nous avons tous des responsabilités communes. Nous veillons les uns sur les autres.
No way out.
Nous accueillons les nouveaux arrivants et respectons les autochtones de notre pays. Et nous travaillons ensemble pour améliorer nos communautés pour les générations futures. Alors que vous poursuivez votre vie ici, Souvenez-vous toujours de ce jour où vous êtes devenus citoyens et citoyennes. Et pensez à tout ce que vous pouvez faire chaque jour qui vient pour rendre notre pays encore meilleur. Félicitations encore.
Bakit hinihingi pa nila to?
Bienvenue.
Dinala ko. Ganyan talaga yan. Pero di naman kanawan. Dinala ko.
Congratulations mga anak. Guys, nagsalita na si Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Final statement niya. Congratulations guys. You guys made it.
We made it.
Always be humble, okay? Yun na. Okay, o Canada na. Ayan. Sing o Canada na with ate.
So high along in all of command, the voice of heaven is right on
Yay! Clap your hands, guys. Clap hands with ate. Mommy, clap hands with ate.
Congratulations to the new Canadians and thank you to everyone who contributed to this ceremony. This citizenship ceremony is now closed.
Okay, congratulations.
Listen carefully to these instructions, as this is now your opportunity to take a photo with the presiding official with your own device as a selfie. If everyone could please start by closing your video. Only the presiding official should be seen on the screen. At the bottom left is a small camera icon. Please click on this to turn your video off and keep your camera off until advised otherwise. So if everyone could please turn off your camera. Apps are for free. There are free scanning apps that can be downloaded if necessary.
Yan guys.
Isitan ko dito.
Oo, isin mo. Hindi ko na ipapakita ng malapitan yan.
Black pen pa eh. Black pen pa, di ba? Walang black pen, hindi pa naghanda.
They can all be sent in one email.
Pipirma na nila guys yung kanilang ano. Ano yung pipirma mo na?
Oath confirmation.
Oath taking.
Oath confirmation citizenship.
Oath taking confirmation citizenship? Okay.
Your certificate. Once you have not your certificate. Once you have received
Sige,
your certificate
pirma mo na.
and it does not contain any chip form.
Bali, pinipirma na ni Ate Paypay yung kanyang ay, Ate Papaw, yung kanyang oath taking certificate. Kasi nakakamera sila. Hindi ko na ipapakita guys kasi andun yung mga number niya. UCI, Canadian Citizenship, Unique Identification Number.
Please do not laminate or put a plastic coating
Yan.
or layer on your paper certificate or
Matatapos
print
na
a
yan.
copy of your e-certificate. This could damage the information on it, and we may not be able to confirm the information or the barcode on the certificate, which is important when you apply for your passport or other government services.
Mag-sitting you ka na. Thank you. Senti, thank you na.
Hi, magtatanong ako. Kung pipirmahan ko to.
Hindi ba sinabi sa'yo? Wala na. Disconnect. May di-disconnect na
Hindi,
nila.
ito kung ito ba din ba? Ito
O, basahin mo na lang yan. Okay, so now it's time for celebration na. Cause of celebration na.
Mami, pag sinabi bang X to, hindi. Pag sinabi X, hindi. Hindi. Ha?
Hindi itignan nyo maigi. Magkamali ang kapatid nyo eh. Ikaw Paypay, ikaw pinirma mo, saan ba pinirma mo? Hindi na namin maalala kasi kami way back ano taon?
2019.
2000, way back 2019, 5 years no na.
Wala tayong pinila pa ng ganun.
Wala din kasi ako pinagkikilala pa na dito eh.
Pero may sinabi siyang pipirmahan mo, di ba?
Ayan kasi
Tapos na?
pinapakita
Okay.
kanina dun eh.
Okay, baka yan na yun, nak.
Pero ito, tignan mo, may nakalagay na X dito.
Basahin mo, anong ibig niya sabihin?
Ito, if you print a sign on paper, scan or take a picture. B, if you choose to print your name electronically.
No, I'm just asking if pipirmahan yung pinakalas. Alam ko
Asan yun yan?
Kaya
Asan
you
yun?
need to read the ano eh.
Meron siyang instruction.
I just did it, but like,
Instruction.
I think hindi ako magpipirma nito.
For no reason, bro.
Doon ako sasakay sa kanya. Doon ako sasakay dapat sa kanya.
Okay, ito mo na.
Andun na sila, si Paypay.
Ando na, sumakay na.
Oo, andun naman pala eh. Alright guys, let's go. Doon tayo ngayon sa ano, magpapakain daw sila eh. Pakain. Cake? Kapin pa natin yung cake. Pakain blues na sila ngayon.
Tignan mo nga kung sarado dyan.
Sarado?
Mel, can you please check?
Rado.
It's close, Bob.
Saan daw tayo? Yes, buffet? May tumatawag oh.
Pop out.
Ayun yata siya.
Pick upin niyo na yun.
Han, teka muna Han. Dito, doon ako sa kanya. Oh, nandun ba si Papaw? Come here.
Kapin nyo yung ano, yung...
Hi, Ate Pa! Ate Clark!
Kapin nyo yung cake doon. Kapin nyo yung cake. O sige, palitan kayo, Paypay.
Oh, sige, tara.
Kapin nyo yung cake ha.
Tara.
Kasi si Papa nakapangalan doon eh.
Si Papaw, sige. Liga nak. Ah.
Ang pangit ng jacket mo!
Nahaya mo na.
Saan nga pala address nun?
Yung ganda naman nak. Kaya pala ayaw mong magpano rito. Nakakahiya, yung hiya ko. Hold on.
Sana kung maigi naka-open pa.
Nag-open pa ba?
That's not enough.
Okay. Woo! Nak, huwag ka mag-cellphone ha.
Hindi na ano kay address.
Sige, kunin.
Hey Siri, call mommy.
Kunin natin yung cake.
Calling mommy, mobile.
Si Paypay na lang kasi andun. Para magsalita. Let's go guys. Ang ganda naman ng sasakyan ng anak ko. Papapasahan na oil ka, Canadian citizenship.
Anong address?
Oh,
Yun, sa may bricks yun.
grabe.
St. James.
Nakakaya
sa ano, sabi mo kay Papa.
Batiti.
I got it.
Okay.
Food trip.
Doon din dati, Han.
Alam ko na. Yes, buffet! Nag-ano ka pala.
Mamaya na yung sound snap. Let's go. Saan yan? Sundan mo na lang sila.
No, I have the address now.
You got the address? Okay, perfect.
You seatbelt Clark?
Yes.
Bebe, you have a seatbelt? Okay, perfect. Let's go. Ah, Ate Pao ang driver.
May license na dito ate.
Siguraduhin mo. Galing. Ganda ng buhok ng Ate Pao ah. Mamahalin yan. Buhok pa lang yan, mamahalin na.
Ginto.
Ginto. Ang hirap naman pala nito kapag binata ka na ano, kailangan pala dito, ano? Sa buhok pa lang. Ayun talaga kasi siyempre masisipag kayo. You can buy, you can get anything for yourself kasi masipag kayo.
Bro, hurry up.
Eh, wait for it. Alam mo naman yung matatanda na sila eh. Be patient, nak.
No, the guy one was waiting too.
Kaya nga, be patient. Kasi mga matatanda na sila, huwag mo silang madaliin. Guys today's Ate Pao big day! Right, Clarky?
Yeah.
Oh, wow! Tingnan nga, pawan-hawan lang ha.
Dati 2 hands na.
Ay, dati 2 hands daw ha. Dito ka na lang dapat. Op! Pagka ano, oh yun, tignan mo, patingin pa si, yun na lang. Patingin pa si Yakuya.
Race natin yan.
How does it feel? You have a brand new car?
Nice.
Nangangamoy leather guys ha, leather na leather, ano?
Kakapagawa pa lang, ay, in-finish kasi nila Tita Fa eh.
Yung,
Ito, pagkita ko nga po, kala ko bago ulit eh.
alin yung ano?
Ito sakyan ko.
Ito, yun ano?
Okay nila yan pa sa labas ulit. Halata naman.
Yes, bebe.
Also, Ate Papa owns a new red car.
No, that's I borrow.
Yeah.
Oh, you borrowed it?
Yeah.
They give her a rental because this one, they have some work to do in the dealership, right?
They
Yan, kung gusto mo painitin ang upuan mo, yung tumbong, yan. Ayoko mainit ang tumbong, kaya patayin ko lang. Oh, nice. Ayan. Inilagay lang ba? Ito ko talaga naka-install dito. Hindi matanggal to?
No.
Ang galing, oh. CR. May luwang pa sa likuran, oh.
I know, it's too
Kaya
big
nga.
nga eh.
Okay lang yan, nak.
Para pag nag-long drive.
Oh, tsaka siyempre, kung mamahalin mo tong sasakyan mo na to, baka ito na yung long, you only have one car for your life. Kasi alagaan mo to.
Ganda, no?
Oo. Brand new mo kasi binili, kaya maano ka kasi brand new talaga, hindi siya second hand. Although, kahit naman ano, basta...
You're driving.
Oh, basta...
As long as you have a car and you're driving safe.
You're driving safe, oh. Pwede yun. Guys, punta na tayo doon sa ano, treat-treatan ni Ate Pau. Papakain siya. Papakain daw sila ngayon. So yung ano mo, yung Manitoba,
What?
when are you going to start there?
I can't tell pa.
Hindi pa?
Pero nakain na ako dun.
Nakain ka na? Oh, okay. Sasabihan ka na lang? Baka next year pa?
I know already, but the thing is, di ko alam kung yung papasukan kung kasi too rush sa work, di ako pwede mag-quit sa work. Ang dami kong binabayaran.
Oo.
Pag mag-school ka, that mag-focus ka na sa school. But like, it's really hard because you're paying bills though.
Oo.
Right?
Sabagay, tama. Babayad ka ng bills.
So, I need to adjust.
Oh, mayroon ka pang schooling.
School is just there anyways. Just the bills.
Oh yeah,
It's running.
it's the hero from the war.
Yep.
You don't even
Yeah,
know
you
who's
guys
the hero
can
from the
manage
war in
that. You guys
Canada.
all good.
Oh, you don't
Ang
even
galing.
know who's the hero that's in War in Canada.
Who?
You don't even know who's the hero yet.
Me?
Yeah.
Because I'm not born in Canada. So
Yeah,
you
but
know?
You don't even know where that guy was from. Of course he was from Canada, but you don't even know his name.
Oh, yeah. So do you know?
Yeah.
Who?
It's the guy that is on the wall and I forgot his name already.
Oh, okay. So you and I don't know either.
No, I know him because of the Remembrance Day early Remembrance Day I meant. Right at the spot?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go na. Oh.
Yeah. And I was wondering if you would like to come in and if you're still interested in picking up some shifts with us. Would you be able to come in tomorrow?
For sure.
Afternoon?
I can go tomorrow though.
Sorry?
I can go tomorrow. I'm just free anyways.
Okay. I'm assuming that your police record check is fairly recent.
Mm-hmm.
And your abuse and child registry.
Yeah.
I'll need also your healthcare aid certificate.
Yes.
We're on the way now. We're on the way now.
And
Kausap
your
ni...
CPR.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And, yeah. And
Okay,
then
kasi
we'll
si
get you to fill out an
Coco
application. And
na-accept
there
sa kanyang
is
trabaho
a
din.
test to fill as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Can
And
you
We'll see.
Can you can you email me all the documents that I needed to send before tomorrow so I can ready whenever I get home though? If that fine?
Yeah, I can do that. I'll email you everything right away.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, if you can come and fill out an application form.
Yeah.
There is a small healthcare aid test there,
Mhm.
and we'll see if we can proceed from there.
Yeah, for sure. Then I'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow at what time would you like?
Whenever you guys free, I'm free in the whole day though.
Okay, let's go for 1 o'clock.
That would
tomorrow.
work too.
Sorry?
That would work.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll see you at 1 o'clock tomorrow then.
Okay, I'll just wait your email though for all documents that I needed to submit for tomorrow, so I can ready whenever I get home, so I can submit it. Then I'll go to tomorrow by 1 o'clock.
Yeah, that
Okay.
sounds like a plan.
Yeah, thank you so
Okay, thank you.
much. Have a great
Alright.
day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Napasok na ako sa interview. Salamat.
Ayun. Ang dami mo pang sinasabi. Pwede mo na sabihin, yes ma'am, 1 p.m. You daw.
Oh, I'm just asking kung ano sila ready. Hindi kasi ako makapag-focus, nagdadrive ako eh.
Sabagay, tama ka, hindi ka makapag-focus. Patay mo muna. Na hindi ka makapag-focus kasi nagdadrive ka. But anyway, congratulations again. Nakatanggap ka na naman. Ayun, bagong trabaho ulit.
Yeah.
Ang dami mo naman trabaho niyan na.
Sabi nga ni mami, dami ko daw trabaho eh.
Okay, kung kaya ng katawan mo, sige lang. Basta alagaan nyo yung katawan nyo. Nakapasok na naman siya guys, healthcare. Tama mo? At dito na rin yung cake. Grabe yung cake nito, ang ganda pala. Laki.
Tuloy-tuloy ang blessing ni Lord.
Tuloy-tuloy ang blessing ng...
Maambon.
Maambon ng base. Ano no?
Maambon ng blessing.
Maambon ng blessing. Kalahin mo yan? Class 5. Tapos brand new car. Post Canadian citizenship. O taking katatapos lang. Maambon ng blessing. Alright. Guys, we are now here in Yes Buffet. Andun na rin siguro sila mami. Nakakuha ka naman ng ano nila mami, upuan? Blow out nila. Pakibuksan mo nak, baka mamalaglag ko pa tong cake. May ano yung ano, cellphone mo? Wala nang tao, tamang-tama. Makakahabol pa siguro tayo. Thank you. Ay, kumain na pala sila eh. Okay lang, mauna kayong kumain. Very good, very good. Careful, careful. Sige, kumuha na kanya pagkain. Buksan mo muna ito, Han. Ang ganda naman ng ano. Para yung panghuli, pang picture na lang.
What? Ay, yan.
Picture mo muna, baka mamaya na. Guys, kakain muna tayo. Kuha muna tayo pagkain dun sa loob. O doon. Alright guys, kain muna tayo. Ano bang mga pagkain natin dito? Siyempre, silipin natin. Matamis. Nakain ka lang nakain. Oh, sushi. Nice. Dami ha. Puto bongbong. Wala nang matira, wala nang natira. Late na late na eh. Take all you can, Clark, okay?
Okay.
Careful.
I will.
Chicken. Oops, sorry. Let's check what they have there. Let's check. What do we have here? Pansit guys, rice. Kakain muna ako. Ayan, may talong pa dun ha. Alright guys, andito. Nakaupo na kami sa lamesa. Once again, yeah.
Yeah, just leave it.
Congratulations sa Canadian citizenship nak. Ate Papaw, congrats, no? Guys, kain tayo, no? Live, no? Bakit? Nag-pray na kayo? Tapos biglang nag-pray kami kasi umunaon na sila. Nak, congratulations. Ang ganda ng cake mo, naka. Huwag mo nang itatats ha, kasi pipicturean pa ni mami mo yan. Guys ha, oh. Wow.
Look at the chocolate.
See?
No, that's fondant.
Yeah, I love it.
Mamiss mo last time kasi ma'am nagkaroon din sa cellphone.
Guys, kain muna tayo. Iwanan ko muna kayo para makakain ako maayos.
Kaya ganun sila. Kaya nag-cancel din yung Holy Carlos. May nananaksak sa Winnipeg. Oo. Sa UFM nakita ko din eh. Hindi ko kayong cake matamis. Of course,
Okay, it's time to slice na ni Ate Pao Pao yung kanyang cake, yung kanilang cake ni Ate Pai Pai.
Happy birthday.
Papa accidentally ruined it.
Malit lang na. Dito lang muna. Pag ano no? Okay, tikman nga natin yan. Uy. Mapurol ba? Natanggal na pala yung ano.
Pinalis mo.
Nalis ko ba? Ako ba may kasalanan? Para hindi niya kasalanan eh.
Oh.
Diyan yung mga kapatid mo.
Who's one?
No, you eat it.
Islice-slicein mo muna.
Uy.
Ayan.
He's bonded.
Islice-slicein mo na muna.
Hindi naman ako kain pa. Kuntiin lang. Ito lang oh.
Dito.
Tikim-tikim lang.
Oo.
Kasi masasayang na naman nga.
Si mami mo ang titira niyan.
Mati tayo dyan.
Ang sarap kaya. Tignan nyo ube. Ang sarap naman ito. Clark, come here if you want this.
Make it out.
Guys, mag-cake tayo. Tikman natin ang
I'm having food coma now.
pakik ni Ate Pai.
Me too.
At saka ni Ate Pao Pao. Inder, Baki, where's your plate? Inder. Anong dami niyang pagkain na hindi mo maintindihan kung mauubos na talaga yan. Kailangan bawasan yan.
Magbabayad talaga dyan, mom.
Guys, kain tayo. Tikman natin ng cake. Ano bang tawag ng cake na to? Ube? Makapuno? Tumayo, yan ibigay mo yan.
Kainin mo muna to. Kasi I don't think I can eat this one.
Kain guys.
Tapos sinisira mo lang
Hindi, tinabas ko talaga dyan.
Ang tamis? Tamis na ito, ma'am? O ito?
Guys, ayan, tapos na yung kain namin.
Guys, bilan nyo nga ng alak tatay ko.
Ito at saka si Ate Pai Pai, tapos na yung pakain nila. Thank you guys. Thank you mga anak. Meron pa ba kayong naiwan? On-time na lang natin sila mami mo doon.
Maraming jacket mo. Marami pa akong naiwan sa bahay.
Para sa ate mo, may sapak talaga. Pero at least kahit pa paano, congratulations na ka.
Bilan nyo nga sila ng alak, guys. Nang manahimik na. Thank you. Bungong yun.
Kaya nga, hindi, swim. Ano lang yan, ubaga sa ano, product yan ng ligaya. Ay! Sige, give it!
Mami, hold this one. This is yours.
Huwag na, baka mamaya matipaw niya yan. Magian mo yan, baliktad pa, lumuslos lahat yan doon.
Look at the nerdy. Look at the boss. No, this one.
Oh, siyempre, batite. It's batite. Asan na si mami mo?
Dinisay kung gusto mo. Painit mo na yung sakyan mo.
Ate Pai. Mini Kuya Carlos over there. Kuya Carlos.
Okay, asan na sila mami mo?
We're gonna pick up my car.
Bigyan sa kami nyo. Team.
Pai, anong planuhan? Sinel, go na with mami. Didiretso na ba kayo doon? Teka. Sige na, sige kung yan ang gusto nyo. Go now, Indar. Sige na, bye bye. Clark, come now.
Ito yung mga gamit ko.
Yung jacket mo, pick upin nyo muna. Sige.
But I'm going back there kasi kukunin ko yung gamit ko.
Sige. Sige, thank you. Sige na.
Kapalit pa ako doon.
Sige. Pabalik doon na lang guys. Say bye bye now. Say bye bye to the camera now. Bye. Okay. Go to your proper places now. All right.
Court middle.
Let's go. Kaya mo na.
Come on now.
Uwi na tayo.
Go faster. It's not.
Okay, go home now. Say bye bye to the camera. Tapos na yung ano ng mga anak ko. Kahit pa paano nakakain kami ng masarap at natapos na rin. Thank you for watching guys. Until next time, paalam na muna. Ingat lagi. Peace up. Bye bye.
Bye-bye!
Lakay Tracker.